if you have been in compliance for getting the Spanish citizenship in May, as politicians, seems that we are going to have 500,000 more Spanish citizens. Well, I believe we need about 50 million to pay the pensions and the government employees. Yes, that's for starters. But anyway, if you are an immigrant and you do comply with these requirements, you can jump to Candina, Italian flag. There is also many opportunities in Spanish flag, and it's also a huge opportunity for the Spanish flag. But as you know, bureaucracy in this country is a disaster. So if you already have these basic training, firefighting, survival courses from other countries, really get them now, because in Spain it's really a mess to get those 3 different courses, and you can get them in Latvia, for example, or in Ukraine, for example. You can get them in one go, 4 days, 400 euros, or even in Morocco, you can get them 600 euros one go, all 3 courses in one. In Spain, it's 3 different courses, 1,700 euros, and you never know when you start and when you're going to end. So please, if you really are from a fishing fleet, from a cargo fleet, and you want to jump into this Ro-Ro and Ropax fleet, you can start 2,200 euros net with Italian Social Security. We have 2 years on board Italian Social Security equals 2 years unemployment. You have 20 years, you have the pension. Equality, if you are a woman, this is really a great opportunity because it's a huge fleet, huge cabins, huge number of women on board. We're talking about 77 ships, total 8,000 people on board, and then some 6 or 5 ashore, 13,000. So it's very modern ships. If you are electrician, for example, and then on board the cruise ship, you get $2,000. Here is 3,200 plus Social Security. Plumber, also same wages. Bosun, same wages. Cook, 2,800 euros plus Italian Social Security. You don't need English, just Italian basic. Like and subscribe, pass throughout the groups, and if you can get these courses away from Spain, do it. Just try to do it fast and learn Italian. Parla Italiano. It's very important to have this basic language. If you really are a junior officer, of course, also you will get this opportunity. And then thank you very much indeed for your time. If you have experience as AB passenger ships, wow, we don't have any. We need about 500. So this is very important that in order to get the citizenship in May, I guess, if they really, politicians do really make it real, think about how to plan and get prepared. In Candina News, you can subscribe and you can find out. There is many videos. We have a ship owner basic format. We have the Italian basic language training. You can confirm to us you have done it. You have also got the Codice Fiscale. That's once you have the Spanish citizenship, automatic. You get the Codice Fiscale. In Spain, it takes about 1 month. In Romania, is 1 day. In Bulgaria, is 1 week. So this is how, unfortunately, in Spain, everything is much slower than the rest of the countries. But if you're thinking of going from fishing fleet to really huge fleet in the Mediterranean, nice weather, nice huge ships, huge fleet, huge possibility promotions. If you are from the Senegal or from any other country in this planet and you're thinking jumping to this Ro-Ro and then passenger fleet like Ro-Ro, 3,100 euros net plus Social Security, applying Candina, like and subscribe. Thank you very much indeed, and all the best. But plan everything ahead. It's only 3 months until then. Thank you. And during summer, we are going to need something like 1,000 seafarers minimum for the Italian flag. Then we can talk about the Spanish flag. Okay? Thank you. Bye.